Okay. Sit down, Daddy. We are going to see houses that are coming to the auction this Monday. Yeah, it's a tax foreclosure. You don't know anything about it. Emma, you went to so many auctions. Yes. Mommy went to a lot of auctions too. Yes. Yeah, there's the house. Yeah, there's the house. Let me park the car. Let me see. Yeah, I love the area. Hello. This is the house. They're coming to the auction on Monday. The flyer is on the ground now. It has the mountain view, and the river is like 2 blocks down this way. I like the location of it though. It's close to the mountain. I mean, close to the river, and have the mountain view. Look at the house one more time. Look like people are living here. There's 2 cars, and it needs a lot of repair. That is for sure. You like the house? Tell your opinion.
Why?
Do you like the house?
Yes.
Okay. It's a quiet neighborhood. And I have the, I cannot see it from inside, so this is a tax foreclosure auction. Okay. Yeah, that could be the boundary for the other house. I'm not sure this part is belong to this house or not. Doesn't look like. Probably up to this line. You see the crack on the boundary wall. Yeah, I think it's no, it's on the downhill. Yeah, it's a mountain. Dad actually like the location. You like the location? Yeah, it's a good location. Yeah, and the river is very close, which I love about. Let's see. Let's see another house, Daddy.
What?
Destination is on your left.
There's the house coming to the market. You don't like this one? Nope. Yeah, the lot is small. Looks like it's vacant right now. So I'm not gonna get up on this one. Yeah, it's a nice backyard though. But it's so small. I mean, it's not that small, but it's compared to houses in this area, it's small. Not by city standard. Yeah. Not this one. Yes, he's hearing you.
Tiny house.
Yeah, a small house. I think it's probably 800-900 square feet. I like the glass section of the house, the balcony thing.
I like their backyard, but
Yeah, backyard is small, but it's decent. Not too small.
nice backyard.
Nice backyard. With
There is pool, Mama.
yeah, there is a pool on the next house. Okay, let's go for the next one. That's a 12 Brook Drive. And we have a cemetery, so we don't have to go too far if we buy a house nearby. Right, Daddy? It's funny. Daddy made a mistake now. Daddy have to come around. Like the next one. It's a big cemetery, beautiful cemetery. Right? Adam Rush. That's Adam Street. Adam or Adam, the same guy, right? How's this? The Adam. No, what? You could make a tree houses here, Daddy. So many big trees.
I'm not interested.
Oh, ये ब्लॉक है 3 बारी तैले. एक ही ब्लॉक है. मानो शासन ने बोला गाड़ी तेरी ऐसे लगा तो चलो. हैं? That's a newly renovated house. Yeah, these are brand new too. These are new houses. Let me come down. There's few houses in the same block. This is one of them. Look like it's vacant, but never knows. It's right on the woods. And this one also coming to the auction. Chimney has a crack on the top. Small repair. I think there is another house on this block down that way. I love the area. It's very quiet though. No people. Only berries. Only few people lives here. I like the first house though. I'm checking like 5 houses. So far, I like the first one. Emma, you like this house?
No.
You like it?
No.
Emma liked it. I kind of liked it. Okay. And both of them are vacant. It's not a full brand new roof. This is the last house we're checking today. Coming to auction. It's boarded already. Yeah. The foreclosure sign here. It's decent. Very big size. It's a big lot. That could be a perfect house for Emma. This lot is pretty big. I believe it goes all the way to the woods. I love this house. This is the last one. I like the first one and the last one. Am I gonna see it? It looks like a bird nest on the chimney. It could be a bird nest or just tree just overgrown on it. It's boarded, so it's a vacant, so you don't have to evict anybody. That's a good thing. It could be a bad thing because you don't know how the bad condition inside. If somebody is living, that means plumbing and the heating system probably working, but this house probably nothing working. Let me know guys if you like this house. I kind of like it. Right on the mountain. It's a hilly area, so the whole area is kind of like hilly. I wouldn't say it's a mountain, but it's a hilly area. Let us see if we can see anything. It's a boarded house. It need a new roof. The cement work looks not too old, but okay, how many square feet on this house? I think it's around 1500. I'm in the process of editing the videos. I'm always late uploader, so the last house that came to the auction sold for 280, and the market price around 560 to 600k, depending on the renovation you do. So that was a pretty good deal, but I missed it. I went up to 240, but I didn't go up to that. It was a good deal. Whoever bought it, I hope make money. And don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.